We are here with Mahua Chaturvedi from Century. My first question is one line about Impact Digital Influence Conference 2024.
Very, very relevant, very dynamic as a topic, and just the right time, and I mean, no amount of time is less for this kind of a topic.
Lovely.
It's an amazing topic to be on.
Absolutely. My next question, any cringe trend on social media in 2024 that you followed?
I think too much of these, celebrities, and their day-to-day lives beyond a point. This is just cringe, because we're not really. There's nothing new. There's nothing really different happening there. There is no information that we're getting, but it's just their everyday life. But it's becoming so popular that that's what really comes up all the time in all feeds.
Yeah? Exactly. My third question. Who is your go-to influencer for a brand collab and why?
So I think in my previous roles, and especially like I said in Shaze, we'll be talking about a very complex new product habit like a decanting or creating pour-over coffees, those kind of products. You need very high expertise influencers, right? So you need a proper wine sommelier to say what kind of wines and what kind and how to decant a wine, and what kind of wines need what kind of decanters, what kind of spirits need what kind of barware, or coffee, and how do you make a pour-over coffee. So I think when those things come in, when those kind of expertise come in, that's when you need a very well-versed influencer, and they add a lot of value. Value. Otherwise, like in my previous role when I was with Baguette, fashion influencers are many. They're just many, and I think they're great. But I think the expertise comes in when you are very deep in a knowledge area in one area, and that's when that influencer becomes your go-to.
So you need to have a specific niche.
Yes.
All right. My set of technical question, and my first question is, what skills do you look for when hiring a Gen Z professional?
With a Gen Z, the first skill I look for is the person will pick up the phone and will come to office every day and will do the work, because I think Gen Zs live in a world of their own, and difficult to get. It's up to them. I think they're very bright, they're sharp, they're well aware, but their way of work is very different from the time when we started. So I think while they're extremely well aware and very well equipped, I think I look for commitment from them in that generation.
So commitment it is then. I've taken note of it. Thank you. How important is social media in your marketing strategy?
I don't think there is any marketing strategy without social media, because people are on social media. I think television is over, because there is, apart from the very large content platforms like an IPL where everybody is watching it, and they're very expensive for most brands. Otherwise, or maybe some news platforms, and there's a big breaking news happening, which when eyeballs really go there. But otherwise, I think people have moved out of it generally. OTTs do not entertain advertising. So really the brands have only one place to talk to, which is social media. So it is all pervasive. I wouldn't say it is important or not important. It is the place where marketing is.
Indeed. Now my last question to you. What's your best tip for mentoring young marketers?
I think marketing as a world has changed tremendously from the time when marketing was about communication and sales was away from that. I think the role of marketing was limited, because sales was happening in a different channel. It was happening offline, and while marketing people were doing ads on television, etc. Today, the marketing generation is extremely empowered to drive business, because marketing channel and sales channels have become one. It's in social media that you create content, and it's in social media that you buy, and hence every marketing person now is actually a business person, and that's a great opportunity. And I think marketing people have a great future ahead to be able to lead businesses.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mahua, for having a conversation with E4M. I hope you enjoyed your time at the panel.